because I like this part.
Who said that? I did. You're just a sandwich. No, I'm just trailing my boy through the sandwich in order to deliver this message. Oh, great. What's the message? We arrived at midnight tonight. Really? Do all of you look like sandwiches? Forget about the sandwich. Sorry. Here's the plan. We're landing in your house. No, wait. Those guys know where I live. They're not the best examples of earthquakes. Gosh. Where else can we land? Let's see. I know. Go to Cape Doom. Just look for the lighthouse. The lighthouse in Cape Doom it is. Oh, this is great. But how do I get out of here? Hey, I'm just a sandwich. Some things you gotta figure out for yourself. Oh, by the way, you go ahead and meet me now. You're gonna need the energy. Won't that hurt? No, it's fine. I'm going away now. Oh. Cape Doom, right? Yeah, Cape Doom. Are you there?